In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely update WordPress site. We'll use the WordPress site editor to make a small, controlled change to your site title's alignment, then publish it the right way so you can update with confidence. First, head to your WordPress dashboard and open the site editor. From the Templates area, choose your home template so you're editing the homepage layout. You'll see a live preview of your page with blocks you can select and adjust directly on the canvas. Move your cursor over the site title area and click to select it. If the editor highlights a larger section or a parent block instead, simply click again inside the title until the title itself is clearly selected. You'll know you have the right spot when the block toolbar appears with formatting options that relate to the text. With the title selected, look for the alignment controls in the floating toolbar or in the settings panel. Choose Align Text Left. As soon as you click it, you should see the title shift to the left on the canvas. Take a moment to scan the header and nearby elements to ensure the layout still looks balanced. If something doesn't look right, you can click again to reselect the title or use Undo to step back before committing the change. When you're satisfied, it's time to make the update official. Click Save at the top right of the editor. WordPress will prepare a summary of what's about to change, which helps you confirm you're only publishing the intended adjustment to the template. This keeps your workflow safe and predictable. To push the change live, click Launch. Think of Save as capturing the change inside the editor and Launch as publishing it to your live site. That two-step flow gives you a moment to double-check before anything reaches visitors. If you ever want to revisit this, you can return to the site editor, select the title again, and choose a different alignment or use Undo to roll back. Because everything happens in the visual editor, you avoid risky code edits and keep updates consistent across your template. That's it. You opened the site editor on your home template, carefully selected the site title, aligned it to the left, saved the update, and launched it live. Follow this same approach for other small